Introduction to the panel view. The panel view operator interface terminal is a programmable operator station which allows interaction between users and a PLC controlled system. The panel view replaces or complements traditional hardwire panels by providing operator input control and output display of a machine or multiple machines. The panel view operator interface ties PLC inputs and outputs to graphics, text, and function keys displayed on the panel view terminal. This provides the user with the ability to control a machine or process, as well as view its status, PLC I/O, operational information, alarms, and data table information. How does a touchscreen work? When the screen is touched, the conductive coating on the cover sheet is pressed against the coating on the glass, making an electrical contact. A voltage is generated when the touchscreen is pressed. The voltage produced is the analog representation of the position touched. Now we're going to look at touchscreen applications. These include public access such as museums, libraries, corporate information, public transportation, and airport terminals. High-tech applications include trade shows, pen computing, video and audio database, and multimedia kiosks. Business applications include consumer credit application kiosks, gas stations, restaurants, and grocery stores. In education, assistive technology, edutainment, and employee orientations. Other areas of touchscreen applications include entertainment, government, and industry. Panel view components. The display is color, grayscale, or monochrome. The size can range from 3 to 14 inches. Flat panel and CRTs are both available. The operator input is keypad, touchscreen, or a keypad touchscreen combination. The communication port connects the panel view to PLCs, personal computers, and other intelligent devices on a network such as DH45. The programming port provides a connection for a PC to transfer applications to the panel view terminal. It is also used to monitor the PLC operation, transfer PLC programs, and test network devices. The panel view runs an application that has been downloaded with the PanelBuilder 32 development software. The application contains screens, screen objects, and configuration settings. A panel view terminal running an application communicates with a PLC over a network of some type such as DH45, DH+, Ethernet IP, or RIO. Panel view terminal to PLC data flow. Screen objects in the panel view application interact with the PLC through tags. A tag is configured so that the panel view application writes to or reads data from the PLC. Now we're going to look at a panel view application example. This application contains two objects: the start button and a process started indicator. The application starts a process when the start button is pressed and the indicator on the terminal turns on to indicate when the process has begun. The tag editor. The start tag. When the start push button in the PanelView terminal is activated, The application writes a logic 1 to address B3:0/1. The process started tag. Attached to the PanelView process started indicator, the PanelView application activates the process started indicator when a logic 1 is read from memory location O:2/2. Going back to the application, when the operator presses start, the PanelView application writes a logic 1 to the data table address B3:0/1 because this is the address defined in the start button's tag start. The logic 1 at B3:0/1 causes the PLC ladder logic program to activate the ceiling output O:2/1, starting the process. A sensor connected to PLC input 0 turns on when the process is started. When the sensor is triggered, the PLC program energizes output 2 as shown. When the application determines that output address 2 has been set to logic 1, it turns on the process started indicator on the PanelView terminal. PanelView applications can be much more complex. They can change up to 255 screens and can be used to exchange information with several PLCs connected to a network. The basic PanelView concepts just described are used for all PanelView applications, regardless of the application or network.